Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around?
So, if you never solved a cube before, it may look impossible, but it's actually a simple method behind it. Let me show you. First, the most important thing to understand about a Rubik's Cube is its parts. This is center, this is edge, and this is corner. Step 1. Complete the white cross and corners. So, the first thing you do is find the white center first and hold on top. Like this. Next, what you do is solve the white cross, but we also need the colors on the side to line up. So, here's how you do it. Find a white face on the bottom, like this one, but not this one. And just look it all, the bottom until you find the face underneath the correct colored center. Like this. Then solve the white corners. Like this. Step 2. This size. First, we look on the top for an edge that does not have a yellow sticker. Yellow is the top color, so nobody layer edges can have a yellow. Move to the left. R prime. Move to the right. L prime, U prime, U prime. Step 3 is complete the yellow cross. First, we need to find the fish pattern. The formula is FRU prime U prime I prime. Step 4 is complete the yellow corners. RU I prime U I prime. Step 5, the corners. RU I prime U prime, RU L prime U prime L. Step 6, the final step, and the last, if the other layers are the same color, step into the back. Like this. RU prime, RU prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, and prime. And that's how to solve a Rubik's Cube for beginners. Thanks for watching.